Hey guys, welcome to a quick episode of Cars, Computers, Canines, where I'm going to show you the HMCITY 120 LED solar motion sensor light. These are great if you just want a light that's not too incredibly bright. I'm going to use them so that way when my dogs run around the yard, this will turn on, and hopefully they can also be used to scare off any critters that are in the backyard messing around. So this one's actually a 4-pack. Just one of these. You can order them individually if you want, but they just come with the actual light unit and some screws and drywall anchors. So one thing you'll find in the manual, there's a little mode button on the back. There's actually 3 different ways this can function. There's the normal light mode, where it'll basically, once it turns dark, the light will turn on and it'll stay on until the battery runs out. The second mode, which is what I've used before, there's the dim light, which is just a really dim, you can see that there's a light there, but it doesn't light up a whole lot. And then when it detects motion, it gets bright. And then the bright light mode, where it's off normally, and then when it detects motion, it turns on to bright. So it's kind of difficult. You'll have to set the mode when it's dark, but a little trick to this is you can go in a bathroom or a closet and close the door with the light off, and then just punch that button till you get the correct mode that you want. And there we go. I got it nailed right into, or screwed right into the fence post. This will be good when the dogs come by. It'll light this little area up that is usually pitch black at night. I'll kind of show you how it worked later tonight. Okay, here, I don't know if you can see this little one back here. It's on dim mode right now. And as I walk up closer to it, it detects motion. It gives a good little bit of light. Not a ton. It's not gonna light up like a floodlight or anything, but good enough to where the dogs are back here, there's a critter, it'll scare them away. So here we can see I've got a few more lights over here. I kind of walk by them and activate their motion detection. That one and that one. So there. Now you can kind of see 3 of them. Again, they don't provide a ton of light, but doesn't need to be a ton. When it's just the yard back here, just enough. The dogs are out, you can see where they are. And like I said, they turn off shortly after and go back to that dim light mode. There you have it. Hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thanks.